There are 4 wheel speed sensors, or ABS sensors, one on each wheel carrier. You will need to remove all 4 wheels to access the sensors. Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle, as well as removing the wheels. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. On the front wheels, the sensor is located on the upper front of the wheel carrier. Use a 5mm Allen and remove the single screw indicated by the red arrow holding the sensor to the wheel carrier. Pull the sensor wire from the connection and then out from the wheel carrier. Disconnect the electrical connection from the sensor by using a flathead screwdriver and rotating it to release the electrical clip, red arrow. The sensor can now be removed. Installation is the reverse of removal. On the rear wheels, the sensor is located under the caliper. You will need to remove the caliper to access the screw holding the ABS sensor in place. You will need to disconnect the wear sensor from the electrical line. Release the electrical connector by using a flathead screwdriver and rotating it to release the clip indicated by the red arrow. With the wear sensor disconnected, remove the 2 M14 caliper mounting bolts indicated by red arrows. You will need to replace these bolts with new ones when you reinstall the caliper. Once the caliper can be removed from the rotor, you will need to handle it carefully as to not stress or damage the brake line. Never let the caliper hang by the brake line. The brake line snaps or starts to bleed, you will need to replace the line and bleed the system. If you are leaving it connected to the line and not immediately working on a replacement, you must support the weight of the caliper with a rope or hanger. Disconnect the electrical connection from the sensor by using a flathead screwdriver and rotating it to release the electrical clip indicated by the red arrow. Use a 5mm Allen and remove the single screw, red arrow. The sensor can now be removed. Installation is the reverse of removal, and torque your new caliper bolts to 85 Newton meters or 63 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.